Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share about how to install phpBB 3. So first of all we will search for phpBB 3 download in this official website of phpBB. Here we can see the download option, phpbb.com/downloads. Here we can see the download option. I will download with this zip file. So here the download is completed. Here we can see this is downloaded zip file. I will extract it here. So here it is extracted. So then I will copy this folder and we have to add in local disk C, zap, htdoc and paste here that folder. Here we can see the phpBB3 folder. So to work with it, we have to create a database in phpMyAdmin. So here I create a database, new database, for example phpBB DB. I will give this database and I will create it. After database creation, and I will run this folder. So this is in htdocs phpBB3. So we have to run localhost/phpBB3 and we can run any of php file here. So I will run this search file, for example search.php. When I run this, I will see this UI. So we have to install it. So here in install button, when I click on this and click on install button, here it asks for our username and email address. For I add my username and email, and it asks for password. I have to re-enter this password to confirm. After finish, I will click on submit button, and here it will ask for database. So we have to add this database we have created earlier. So the database username, in my case this is root. I have not given any password, and here I will give the database name phpBBDB, and it is saying that all our database table will start with phpBB. So I will click on submit. It is asking for some server configuration. It will work on localhost and port number 80 phpBB3. I will click on submit. I will also click on submit. You can read this in detail. and we have to write if we have our domain. So I have no domain now, so I left this as it is, and we have to add description if we need it. So I add phpBB3 installation. You can add anything you want. When I click on submit, after it is 100%, it will completed installation, and now we can use phpBB3 in our machine. So after 100% it is completed installation. So when I run again that localhost phpBB3 /search.php, now you can see the phpBB3 search screen here. Now we can use the phpBB3 in our machine. We can use any page we want. We can create our custom page. This is all for now. In the next video I will explain how to create custom page in phpBB. So thank you very much.